Hi, Big John.
Hey, how are you, Barbara? Welcome back to Audio One. How are you? Everything great?
Yeah, everything great, yeah.
Good, good. How can we help you out today?
I'm just looking at my car. I have my phone. I want to listen to the music that I want to listen to, but I don't have a way to play it in my car. I was wondering if there's any way you could help me out with that.
What year and make and model is the vehicle?
I have a 2012 Q5 Audi.
Nice, beautiful car. Lucky you.
Thank you.
Well, come on in. Let me show you some great options we have for you.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So here today at Audio One, as you know, you've been here before, and you know we have a lot of great options for all vehicles. That's the great thing. So we have this Pioneer, great quality. It's actually Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So with this particular unit is wireless. So if your phone's in your pocket or your purse, it works out great for you. You can see it up here, wireless, your maps, your messages, all the good stuff. So with this one here, you can literally talk to it. Hey Siri, navigate me to the nearest Starbucks. Your maps comes up.
That's perfect, yeah.
Would you like to go with something like that today?
I think, I've heard a lot about CarPlay on TikTok, on everywhere, so I think that might be a perfect fit.
Well, I'm glad you're back, and I'll also give you a free backup camera with this as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a great deal.
If you want, let me show you what we're looking at in total, and we'll go from there.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Sounds like a plan. Thank you so much.
Let's do this. Let's get in your information. Absolutely. Let's do this. Why don't you meet me at the end of the counter here, and we'll get you written up.
Sounds good.
All right, Barbara. Here we have Ariana, one of our finance managers.
Hi.
Ariana, this is Barbara, one of my really good, great customers here. I'd like to take great care of her with one of our financing.
Of course.
Let's get her done with no credit needed. Go ahead and give me your car keys. I'll go ahead and drive your vehicle around back and get you going.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so it's very simple. All I need would be your ID, your social security, and your banking info.
Okay, great. So one thing I was a little bit worried about is my credit score. Do I need anything like that?
It does not check your credit whatsoever.
Okay, great. Because you know I'm young. My credit score is new. So.
Right. Yeah. And if anything, this would improve your credit at the end once you pay this off within the 3 months as well.
Okay, great. That sounds good.
Great news. You got approved for $1,500. So if you have anything else you want to add to this is the moment for you to add. You know, you get to pay it off in the 3 months, so go ahead and try it out.
Okay, great. Actually, I've been thinking about getting my windows tinted. Is there any like
yeah,
how much do you guys
of course.
charge for that?
So we could give you a package deal for everything. Give you a really great deal for the window tint starting at $99.
Okay, great. That sounds great. I think I'll go ahead and do that then.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and add it for you. All right, you're all set to go. Here you go. We'll definitely give you a call as soon as it's ready within the 3 to 4 hours, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your
Have
service.
a good one.
Thank you.
Hey, Barbara. Great.
Hi.
Congratulations. You were approved for $1,500.
Yes.
We'll be seeing you in about 3-4 hours. So you were saying something about the window tint.
Yes, I'm going to get that done.
Okay, we'll see you back in 3-4 hours. Hopefully you have everything ready for you.
Great. Thank you guys so much
for your business once again.
Thank you so much for the great service.
You're very welcome.
Okay, guys, that was honestly super simple, super quick. I'll see you guys in 3 to 4 hours to see how everything turned out.